All right, so today we're out here with the Gladiator. It's a 2021 Jeep Gladiator. Right now the hood latches are stock. I bought some aftermarket that I want to put on there, so I figured I'd do a little video showing you guys how to put them on. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is just go ahead and open the hood up so we can access all the mounting bolts. Instructions that it came with aren't the best in the world, so I guess we're gonna have to wing it. That's what I do best anyway. All right, so top mount has 2 bolts, 2 nuts that you gotta take off, and then the bottom one has the 1. Now, I think it's a good time to just kind of clean off any dirt you might have in there, just so it's going to have a good seat. These are the latches that I got. It's billet aluminum. Got a nice little Punisher skull in there just for something different to add. Comes with rubber grommets to go against your paint, and it has all the hardware, including Allen wrenches that you might need. So for this, you need to take this top locking mechanism, I can't even talk, to access the bolt, and it comes with an Allen head to take that off. Both sides of it has a screw to take off. There's a pin in here that you want to make sure that you don't lose. So now right now we just need this. Again, make sure you put the rubber grommet down, rubber gasket, to help protect your paint. And you just align the nut with the bolt. Just want to make sure I had it lined up right. All right, now let's see. Is this a 13 millimeter? I'm just making sure we got a good tight fit. All right, Might have to adjust it, they said, once you get it on. For the new kit. Now. Okay. This is going to be the tricky part. Doing this without losing them. Alright, so I got one to hold. Alright, so we're just going to tighten these up. And now we need to put this back together. Ooh, lost that one. Now we just put the bracket back together. And we got that nice and tight. Let's check it and see how the alignment is. Tools in the way. All right, as you can see, she's locked in pretty good. Don't have to do any alignment at all. And then if you want it to release, there you go. And we'll just repeat the steps on the other side. All right, let's check the alignment on this other side. All right, both sides look good. Definitely better than the factory. I mean, factory was sufficient. It would work, but it didn't look the greatest. So there you have it. You can get all kinds of colors, designs, whatever floats your boat. So Amazon. All right, stay tuned for the next. Peace.